How to delete suggested on Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to delete suggested on Messenger. Without further ado, let's get started. Launch Facebook Messenger app and make sure that you sign into your account. Tap on menu icon at bottom right corner of your screen. Navigate to settings. Now you have to scroll down and now tap on privacy and safety option. Tap on hidden contacts. Here you can easily tap on the plus icon at top right corner and look for the user that you want to delete from suggested, and this will be listed here. So you have hidden these people and their notes from your suggested contacts, but you can still chat with them. So in this way you can easily delete suggested on Facebook Messenger. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.